In an age of high-tech gadgets and interactivity, it's easy to take the innovation of the past for granted. The three-point seatbelt is one such invention. Introduced half a century ago, it was arguably the most crucial advance in car safety history. Inventor Niels Bohlin's creation was initially greeted with scorn. But the Volvo safety engineer was backed by his employers, propelling him into the annals of history. Last week, Volvo marked the 50-year anniversary of the first delivery of a car fitted with the belt. Current truck safety director Thomas Broberg paid tribute at a Gothenburg ceremony.
Initially, there were actually other solutions, two-point belts, and there were a lot of controversy. Customers don't really believing in it. And Niels Bohlin, when they invented it, they had a struggle actually to convince both customers as well as governments around the world about the benefit of the technology.
Volvo introduced the seatbelt on all cars in 1963. They then set out to persuade their competitors of its merits. A groundbreaking report was commissioned. All injuries suffered in accidents involving Volvo cars in a one-year period were recorded. The results were unambiguous. The seatbelt reduced or prevented injury in more than half the cases. From that point, there was no going back.
Today you can actually find a three-point safety belt in every car. Even though it took some time to actually convince the world that this was a great invention, it has shown a significant benefit to mankind in the sense that it's reckoned that it saved more than 1 million lives during this past 50 years that it has been in production, so to speak.
In most countries, the use of belts is now mandatory, although they're often only required in the front seats. Many in the third world continue to ignore the evidence. Car safety is increasingly dominated by computers. The race is on among engineers to make the next major breakthrough.
For the future, crash avoidance, communication, I think, is a very important key there. When cars start to communicate with each other and also with infrastructure, that opens up enormous possibilities for us as engineers that I don't think we really can think about today.
But until the invention of the car that needs no driver, Niels Bohlin's simple innovation will remain at the forefront of car safety. Jim Drury, Reuters.